Are MINISO AI earbuds a scam? Let's get right into it. So you've seen those ads, real-time translation in your ear. Sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? I picked up the MINISO MS106 AI Translator Earbuds just to see if the hype is real, or if I got played. Right off the bat, these earbuds are legit and won't empty your wallet. But, and it's a big but, don't fall for all that super smooth marketing. Here's the truth. These aren't magic earbuds that automatically translate everything you hear. Here's how it really works. You've got to pair them with your smartphone and use a specific app, usually Sami or EarJoy. The translation happens through the app, not the earbuds themselves. That means you'll need Wi-Fi or data, and you're tapping the earbud or your phone each time you want to translate someone's sentence. It's not like you're chatting away with a local in Tokyo and getting instant translations in your ear. Nope, you're still pressing buttons. The cool part? You get access to over 135 languages. And for basic conversations or travel phrases, it's honestly pretty handy. Accuracy is decent, but don't expect flawless translations if you're discussing rocket science or slang-heavy jokes. How about the basics? They work just fine as regular wireless earbuds. Some people say the sound's surprisingly clear for the price, others call it just okay. But they're comfy, lightweight, totally discreet, and connect quickly with Bluetooth. So, are the MINISO MS106 AI Translator earbuds a scam? No, not really. But are they as seamless as the ads make them sound? That's a stretch. Bottom line, if you keep your expectations realistic, you'll get a practical, affordable tool for basic translation and music on the go.